Settle. Settle. Do it. Say it.
Hi, Puppet.
Hello.
How are you?
Pretty good.
Great, because you know what?
What?
Today I thought we would continue our journey through Italy,
Grazie.
and we will make a salad.
Okay.
Now, often when people think of salad, they think of just a plain old green, boring salad.
Yep.
But that is not us. Snorville. We are going to make the base of our salad with the ancient grain called farro.
Okay.
And it is a delicious, nutty, brown grain that, if cooked properly, is very hearty and just a great base of a salad.
From personal experience, some people think it kind of tastes like little rocks or kind of mush fest. What you got to say about that, kitchen lady?
I believe that's because they may not have had it cooked properly. When it's cooked properly, it doesn't give you that mushy, grainy, like bad oatmeal taste.
Yeah, exactly.
It gives you a delicious, nut type grain.
Okay.
And you can dress it in with anything. You'll see here in a minute. You can put whatever it marries with.
Yep.
It marries perfectly, and you get a nice, hearty, chewy bite, much like you're eating like a portobello mushroom or something like that.
So, me on board.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So let's get started. Again, as I mentioned, we're going to start the salad with farro. So I'm going to reach over here, and you can see it's that grainy. It's like a pearl type thing.
Yep.
So, and it came from, it's an ancient grain.
Get a little out of hand.
So let's just dump some of that into our bowl.
Yes.
Our bowl.
Yep.
And maybe not all of it, but a good portion, because remember, that's what the whole salad's going to be based on.
Okay.
And this is probably enough salad for two to three, depending on how hungry people are.
Okay.
The next ingredient for the salad is cannellini beans. And remember?
Cannellini. From S&W beans?
From S&W beans, because you know they're the only beans I use.
Have we heard anything back from those people yet? Me looking for a sponsor.
Well, we have not, but perhaps soon. So
okay,
we're going to use those. And when I'm building a salad, because that's what we're doing, I like to put the base in there, which again is the farro, and then put the ingredients around the edge. And so you can mix them all in. So you don't want to dump it all in one.
Okay.
It's best if you just add it, because it also lets you know how much of something you need. You may not need everything you've got ready. So let's just do that.
Makes sense.
Next ingredient is arugula. Now, this is arugula.
Yes.
Has that
spicy
little spicy bite to it. And I find, instead of just dumping it in, and I think a lot of people do this too, if you take your arugula and mash it up in your hands, make sure you've got impeccably clean hands, and you put it over to the edge, just like any other ingredient. See how much easier it is.
It looks like you massaging that.
You are massaging it. Very good. It is a massage of your arugula.
Okay.
It makes it much better.
Me like massage.
And you get that peppery smell too.
Yes. Oh,
okay.
Smell it. Smell
Next ingredient is the heirloom cherry tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
So
we like tomatoes.
I often like to, and I've done all of these, but I wanted to show you. Often people just put them in by the slice, but I think it's best if you slice them up and put them in. But I also like to do different sizes. So I go vertical, and sometimes I do just circular slices like that.
Oh, variation.
Gives you great variation, and it gives you a nice texture. So that's ingredient number 4. Put those into the side, however many you like, and we're going to use a generous portion.
Generous, because
as I've mentioned in other episodes, be generous with your portions.
Not stingy.
Not stingy. Now the next ingredient is the Persian cucumber. Now, I did not find Persian cucumbers in the market this week, so we went with what we had. We improvised, and so I got a regular cucumber. Very simple to do. I like the Persians because they're sweeter, and you also don't have to peel them, so it's easier for the meal prep. But we're going to use what we have. Okay. So easily, we're just going to take that seed out like that. Just take your spoon. It's not hard to do, and just scrape it along there.
Scrape, scrape, scrape.
And you get all of that seed out. You see?
Like a little canoe.
Like it is like a little canoe. And then you can just chop it. I won't do that. I won't take your time and chop all that. But you just chop it up and you get nice little cubes like that. Yep. So that's the next ingredient that goes in. Next ingredient. Okay. So what have we got already? We've got farro, we've got cannellini beans, arugula, cherry heirlooms.
You got all kinds of funny words in this one.
We do. Cucumbers.
Cannellini, arugula.
Exactly. And
arugula. Sorry.
Arugula. The next ingredient we have is a Kalamata olive.
Oh, Kalamata. You got all kinds of words.
They're salty and they're of the Mediterranean. So
Me know Italian words too, you know.
You do?
Minestrone, rigatoni, my cousin Tony.
Puppet.
Keep going.
Oh, puppet. So, okay, so we put in the olives. Next thing, we want a good portion of cheese.
Oh, cheese, my favorite ingredient of all.
Exactly.
Yes.
This happens to be blocked feta.
Oh.
See, it's salty and delicious.
Something. Oh, it's good.
Break it up with your hands.
Yep.
Put in there as much as you want. This just happens to be 4 ounces of an 8-ounce block, but you can do whatever you like.
Okay.
Just gonna wipe my hands off a little bit from that. And that
hygiene is everything.
Hygiene is everything. So
Yep.
what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients. So many.
Yep.
And then we're going to season it and dress it. So what we're gonna do is the oregano. I like to put a little oregano seasoning sprinkled over it. Just dried oregano gives a little pop.
That another Italian word, me know.
Yeah, it is an
Keep
Italian
going.
word, you know. Then a little bit of pepper.
Yep.
And then to dress it, all we're going to use is a simple dressing of olive oil. And there is no portion to this. It's as much as you like. It's extra virgin olive oil for
Very
this.
nice.
And then rice wine vinegar as the dressing.
Okay.
A little sweeter and not so tart as
Okay.
as a white vinegar.
Okay.
Okay. And then we would just mix this around. Are you ready to mix it?
Mix it.
Mix it.
Mix it, sister.
Actually, you know what?
What?
I like it the way, look how beautiful that looks.
Oh.
See, if
that's
you
very
present
nice.
it at the table, actually, let's leave it like this and we present it at the table.
Yes, yes.
And then you can serve it, you can mix it
Very
so
dramatic.
it's fresh. It is very dramatic. And there you have what I like to call a man salad.
Yes.
Man salad. It's thick, it's big, it's hearty, and you can serve it with...
Serving it with that wine.
We are serving it. We're serving it with the Sangiovese blend from Italy. And then we'll serve it with a nice hunk of Tuscan loaf.
Okay.
And you've got a complete meal.
Very nice.
So there you have it. What do you think?
Me on board. Me a little young for the wine, but we like the rest.
You like the rest. And there you have it. Man salad or Mediterranean salad for some.
Very good.
Recipes and tips are below in our comment section.
Oh, yes. And hit comments, like button, subscribe, whatever you can to support 2 people just trying to make a video.
Exactly. And with that, we will see you next week. Thank you.
Thank you.